Ever wish dessert was as easy as making tea? Grab a mug, let's make it happen. Okay, here's the deal. You only need 3 things: Oreos, milk, and a little baking powder. That's it. No fancy gadgets, no oven, just your microwave and a mug. First, toss about 4 or 5 Oreos into your mug. Crush them up with a spoon. Take out your stress, make it crumbly. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of milk. Stir it up until it looks like cookies and cream soup. Add a pinch, just a pinch of baking powder. Give it a quick mix. Now pop your mug in the microwave for about 1 minute. Watch it rise like a cake superhero. When it stops, let it cool for a sec. Don't burn your taste buds, trust me. Grab your spoon, dig in, and enjoy your warm, gooey Oreo mug cake. Dessert crisis solved. If you want to get fancy, add a scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. But honestly, it's perfect just like this. So next time your sweet tooth attacks, remember, 3 ingredients, 1 mug, pure happiness. Enjoy!